What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean and speed up Windows 10. Let's get right into it. So first things first, in this video I'm going to try to help you free up space, speed up your systems, and in general just clean up Windows 10 to make a faster and better experience for yourself. So to start this video off, we are going to go down into the Start menu and we are going to search for Disk Cleanup. Go ahead and run the app, and then we are going to choose which drive we want to clean up. If you are just trying to clean up Windows, you are going to want to choose your Windows C drive and then press OK. This menu should pop up. Now if you want to get the most out of this, you are going to want to click on every single box. Now I do not want to click on every single box because there are some things here that I want to keep, in particular my downloads folder. But other than that, we can go ahead and click on all of them. After you click on all of them, go ahead and press OK and then delete files. This little menu should come up as it deletes files. Depending on how much trash you have in your system will depend on how long this will take. And there you go, it is done. That is the very first thing you have to do. So the next thing that we are going to do to make sure that your computer is running as smoothly as possible is to again go down into the Start menu and type in Startup Apps. Here you are going to see all of the applications that have asked your computer to wake them up and run them whenever you first turn your computer on. So right here I have the ReWASD Gamer Mapper. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off because I don't need that. Windows Security Notification, I'm going to go ahead and leave that on. And depending again on how many different programs you have, depend on how many different items you may want to turn off. And of course it tells you what kind of impact the different things have. For the most part though, if it is something made by your computer such as HP right here, or it is something that Windows needs by Microsoft, I would not suggest turning that off. I would also not suggest turning off your security. So after you've done that, we can move on to the last and final thing. So we go again down to our Start menu, and you are going to just simply want to type in Programs. Go up here to Add and Remove Programs, and here you will see a list of all of the programs installed on your computer. One thing you can do to speed up and save space is to go through the list and delete anything that you might not need. After things delete, you will notice that your computer will start to get faster, and you will notice that as you delete things, your space will slowly be freed up. And that is about it for today's video. If you do these 3 simple things, you will notice that your computer will run faster, you will have more storage, and overall your experience will get better. After doing these things, you may want to restart your system just to make sure that all the changes take effect and that you will notice. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like. If you didn't, leave a thumbs down. Anything from you guys is helpful. If you're new, please subscribe, and don't forget to leave me a comment.